whole biology strategy, how we're gonna complete biology in just 10 days. So this is a book which my school prefer. Do practice of diagram based questions and diagrams. We're going to get diagrams only by practicing. So I will suggest you just take a highlighter and just mark every important point. Just keep doing it daily. You're gonna get 100 out of 100 in the biology exam. I'm sure for that. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this series back again. In this video, I'm going to tell you about whole biology strategy, how we're gonna complete biology in just 10 days, 90 days and whatever the time is left for your exams. And also I'm gonna tell you what kind of diagram based questions are going to come in exam and a lot of important diagrams. I have already prepared everything for you guys. So just subscribe to my channel and watch till the end. So let's start from the scratch. I'm gonna tell you what kind of books you should need, and the important book, I mean a Bible of Biology for ICSE class 10 is Conscience. So this is a book which my school prefer me. This is a Conscience Biology. So I hope you are the student who are reading these books right now and your school have also preferred this book. If not, then doesn't matter because every book is same, but I think this is better. In biology, along with theory, diagrams are also very important because they will be a diagram based questions after completing every part of question. So it is very important. Diagrams takes 50% of part in the question paper pattern. Identification, labeling, diagrams and a lot of things. Reference books are good and all, but my favorite book definitely be school textbooks. Like school textbooks are literally lifesaver. Like my school provider this Conscience textbooks for biology. I don't think you should need any reference books especially for biology. Okay, now let's just talk about how to read a book. Now starting a chapter, you should do reading with the concentration, like something should go into your mind. Don't just waste your time by reading books. Like you should read books with concentration and something should go into your mind properly, and you are just reading, you should understand what are you reading. If you know that there is a progress check in every page, and after reading a whole page you should just complete, you should do practice through that progress checks. If you are able to solve that, then you are getting something to that page, and if you are not able to solve that, you should go back and revise all that paragraphs once again so that you can recall and revise once again. Now like just take a highlighter and just mark every important point and every line, every topic, whatever is important, and just write down and just highlight. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी सारी बुक में सारा ही लाइट कर देना है. जो इम्पोर्टेंट लगता है, जिसमें लगता है कि हाँ क्वेश्चंस बन के आ सकते हैं, जस्ट रीड लाइन थॉरली एंड जैसे क्वेश्चंस बनाने की कोशिश करो. लाइक यू आर रीडिंग अ पैराग्राफ एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द क्वेश्चंस that what kind of questions are going to come through this paragraph. I will suggest you that you can get 90% of your marks just by reading your book wisely, thoroughly and repeatingly. Let's just talk about what should be the chapters order. Now the first I'm gonna tell you, do the plant physiology. Like plant physiology contains 2, 3 or 5 chapters approximately, and all of them are very easy. First of all, do that because they are very easy and easy to just retain your confidence. So like do that. Absorption of fruits, transpiration, photosynthesis, chemical coordination in plants, they are literally very easy. You can do that as soon as possible. You can do that even in a week by revising whole notes, by reading book, and you can complete this plant physiology and you can gain your confidence through doing all these 4 chapters. Yes. And after that I have basic biology. You can do structure of chromosomes and genetics after doing all the plant physiology. And cell is very important. First of all, you have to do the cell just for basics, for getting more information about plant physiology. Then only you're going to get a lot of information of plant physiology just after doing the cell. Human physiology or anatomy is easy, but somehow some students are getting it difficult, so I will suggest you do it at the end. Just keep doing it daily. You're gonna get 100 out of 100 in the biology exam. I'm sure for that. Now let's just talk about the important diagrams which are going to come in your biology exams. There are a lot of set of diagrams, but there are some important diagrams which can come into your exam, and surely that they will only come to your exams, which are already drawn in my these all papers. So I will just show you in this video. You can just get out, you can just learn all these diagrams by drawing it again and again. You know, diagram is like practice. You can do practice of diagrams, MCQs, rather than learning them or cramming them and mugging up them, because like you can't get diagrams through that. You are going to get diagrams only by practicing. So I will suggest you just do practice of diagram based questions and diagrams, because of diagrams there are labeling, identification and diagram based questions. So I will suggest you just do practice of these diagrams. And already on my Telegram channel, and go check it out. If you haven't prepared notes of yourself, you can also check it out. My notes, I have already prepared a PDF of notes in my Telegram channel, so I will suggest you go and check it out. Lastly, I will suggest you to score good marks in your biology, you have to pay attention to biology, and also you have to give some interest to biology subject, because you have to love biology subject, otherwise you can't get good marks. You have to love, and biology will love you. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel and like my video. भाई फ्री नोट्स ले रहे हो, नंबर तभी आएंगे अगर मेरे चैनल को लाइक करोगे, सब्सक्राइब करोगे, ऐसे नंबर नहीं आएंगे. टाटा बाय बाय, गुड बाय.